Hey guys, today I will actually be doing an unboxing and review of the Draciel Prject X crossover. Now, as you know, I never done a Prject X unboxing or review, not even Dronzers for certain reasons, but I will say I got this one because it reminds me of when I had the Draciel S from the plastic generations. It was one of the bays that I had that wasn't Dronzer, and if I'm not mistaken, it was given to me by my older sibling. Alright, let's get to unboxing this thing and see if it can rival the Draciel S version. Looking at it, it did a good job reminding me of the Draciel S version, and even the sides remind me of how thick it used to be, as it was literally the tank build of back in the day for defense type Beyblades. With it, we get a green 760 ratchet. It goes perfectly with the color and aesthetic of how it used to look back in the day. This also adding to the thickness. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the original Draciel S bay, but it literally looks this big, even for back then. One of the reasons why I got this is because of the dot bit. Looking at the bit, it's pretty cool how it's supposed to work. I didn't have the bit before and wanted to try it with some of my defense builds combos, like for Nightmare. Alright, let's put this thing all together. With the stickers, it looks really cool. It would be cooler if we could have got the bit with the metal ball in it, like a new bit metal ball, like he did with the Draciel. It had a spin gear with a metal ball in it. I'm assuming that might come in the future. Honestly, it's a good idea and could even take over being the best stamina type bit. Let's get the weight of the blade without the stickers, and it comes out to be 28.07. Pretty light, of course, didn't expect nothing else. And with the stickers, it comes out to be 28.12. Not too bad. But being the original tank build, let's see how this lightweight defense goes against other X builds. And now for final thoughts. First, let's start with some discrepancies with Prject X. I don't like how the weight ring is the main contact point with the blade. In other remakes, they have the metal on the edge of the attack ring like they do for Victory Valkyrie. Like, why couldn't they do that with the plastic gen? And all in all, though, it didn't do too bad for what it was and its weight. If it was 33 or 35, I feel like it would do better. It would be like a beast at least, or somewhat better. The shape is, I feel like, is nice, but definitely not competitive blade. But it does come with some nice pieces like the 760 ratchet and the dot bit. The ratchet is the same as the others. It's kind of easy to burst. The color is really cool and nice. It can go with other color coordinated builds, like with Nightmail. The dot bit is a good defense bit. It does help from keeping it moving super crazy when hit and being stationary when hit. But at the end of the day, it is easy to burst or KO because of the weight and the ratchet being super easy to burst. Well, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.